Hey everyone, welcome back to DIY What They're Doing. Today we have an OnGuard bicycle lock, and we're using this for our electric scooter. I've been riding my electric scooter a lot, the custom Razor E300, and I always park it near the bicycle racks, and I didn't have a lock for it, so I figured I should get one. So I picked this one up, and it seems pretty good quality. I opened it up already to make it easier for this video, but here, it's an OnGuard 6-foot straight cable. And it's a combination lock down here. Usually there's a plastic wrap, 4 zip ties that you have to cut as well. But then you open this, and there's a barcode. So the strap can be cut, or you can just squeeze this and pull this off. Like that. Alright, so this is the combination lock, and I'm going to show you guys how to set it. So this comes from the factory, and it says 0005. So this is where you put the code at the end. So we go to 0005. And then this should be able to pull apart. Perfect. So in order to set your code, you look at this end and you rotate this. So you can rotate this end clockwise. It goes 90 degrees clockwise, and then this you can rotate to any code you want. So let's say we would do 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you have your code that you want, you turn this counterclockwise 90 degrees. Rotate. Now it's set. So then you can take this, you reinsert it. Now your code is 1, 2, 3, 4. So then you can rotate this whatever way, and it won't open unless you put your combination. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go ahead and pull it apart. Done. That's how you set it. You just leave it like that, and you can go ahead and start using your lock. Alright, well, I'm actually going to change it. It's not going to be left as 1, 2, 3, 4. That's probably the easiest numbers to guess. But yeah, go ahead and change your code to whatever you want it to be. And let me know if you run into any problems or have any questions. Thanks for watching.